We specialize in manufacturing industrial-grade butterfly valves designed for data center cooling water circulation systems, delivering reliability, durability, and cost-effective performance. Our butterfly valves are widely used in chilled water systems, cooling water circulation pipelines, heat exchangers and terminal units, data center HVAC and cooling infrastructure. Value for data centers: improved cooling system reliability, reduced maintenance and operating costs, enhanced uptime and protection for critical IT infrastructure, supports green and energy-efficient data center design.